big jump, can you position yourself so you can fight 3 people at one time? If you get tired and worried, will you still use technique? If it ends up going to the ground, will you then execute on the abilities of groundwork? But it was the motivation that had to keep me going. Now my son, I was blessed to be able to do this with my 10-year-old son at the time, Makai. And Makai, when he was fighting, his mouth started bleeding. And the master said, hey, look, go clean it up. While we were in the bathroom, I said, son, do you want to continue to move forward? He's like, yes, Dad. I said, you sure? You okay? You heard he had braces, so his braces had cut his top lip in the fight. So he said, yes, Dad, I want to continue. So I took him back out and continued on. He got his back up. We're walking to the car, and I said, Makai, you don't mind Dad asking, why'd you keep going? It would have been okay. I would have completely understood if you didn't want to keep going. He's 10 years old at the time. He said, Dad, because today's your birthday, and I wanted to give you a gift of being your black belt for your birthday. He has motivation, guys. The motivation kept him going. So I'm saying to change, you just got to be ready for change. This is why, listen, guys, this is why it is so hard to lead a group of people who aren't ready for change. It is like, listen, my struggle came from continuing to try to pour out this heart of mine into those who hadn't decided to win yet. And that's when I started to understand it was about building and rebuilding. This is what we do. If you're a doctor, you're making rounds in the hospital. That's what you do. If you're a construction worker, you're going to be tired. That's what you do, physical work. Here, you're going to build and rebuild. People are going to quit. And you have to rebuild. I just want you to go ahead and wrap your mind around that because that's now who you are. But we get paid to build and rebuild. My solutions, folks, it's the same thing. Groups are going to cancel. Appointments are going to cancel. You're going to go in, they told you 15 minutes, now it's 2 minutes. They told you you were going first, now you're going last. It's the same thing. You show up with food, they're like, we forgot to schedule you. So don't quit, guys. You got to ask yourself, why would I keep going with all this stuff? Because it seems like, man, it's a lot I got to deal with. It is, but it's the person that you become that I'm not concerned about what's going to come your way because the person you're becoming will easily make it through it. But this is what I want you to ask. I had to ask myself this. I had to ask myself, what is it that will make me quit? I want you to write down what will make you quit. Because if anything else pops up, then you already said that would make me quit. Is it a lack of family support? You know how many people told me that was a scam? You know how many people told me, man, you're going to get locked up. Listen, guys, I'm not saying that you shouldn't acknowledge their objection, but let them be negative. Let them call it a scam, where you pay for all your kids' and grandkids' tuition, and they get to start fresh with no student loans. Let them call it a scam while you're out doing what you want to do when you want to do it, for as long as you want to do it. Let them call it a scam when you're looking over the beautiful city of Houston from your penthouse. You let them call it a scam. Listen, all the folks who called it a scam, they're probably not in the same position that you're going to have an opportunity to be in. So don't worry about that, guys. When people say, look, I just don't have a family support. I know it's hard. I'm not saying it's not going to be hard. I'm just saying you have to decide whether it's going to make you quit or not. How about team quitting? I have 22 ring earners, 22 figure ring earners. It's before the 50K rate. $2,200,000 ring earners that quit. 22. I'm not saying that to brag because it sounds like it. Like, yeah, I got 22. What about you?